In this video we are going to install WordPress. As you see, I'm using hostgator, that I think is a great host. Many marketers using it, and it's very handy because they always have the latest updates and plugins and stuff that is needed from your control panel, the one that you see in front of you right now. To access this control panel, you take your domain.com/cpanel or your domain :2082, and then you will come to this area. You will also get these details from your web hosting provider. Make sure when you select your web host, if you don't select HostGator, that you select one with cpanel. That's the name of the control panel, and then you will have a lot of different functions. What you're looking for is actually software and services, and what is called Fantastico Deluxe. You click on that one, and then you will come to Fantastico. You have a lot of different scripts and stuff you can install on your server, but what we are going to install is WordPress. Okay, and when we come here, we want to click on new installation. It says WordPress 3.0. It's actually 3.01 right now, but we take that one. Take new installation. Since I'm using a hosting account where I have one main domain called wpmoneysite.com, and I also have additional domains, so then I need to select a domain. Normally if you just have one single domain, you just have one option here, and then you select that one, of course. So I select Insomnia Marketer, that is my newsletter. Install in directory, unless you want to install it in a subdirectory like insomniamarketer.com/blog, then you will put in blog here like this. But I'm not going to do that because I want the blog to work as my web page, because WordPress is very handy doing web pages and blogs and everything that you can imagine. So I keep that one blank. Admin access data. Here you should take something that is not admin, because that's the default one. So I put in this one, and password. Take something that you normally don't use in any other places, because the worst thing that can happen for you is that someone get your WordPress login when you have a lot of traffic and content and making money from it. So try to make it specific for this blog and write it down if it's hard to remember. Admin nickname and stuff like that. I mean, you can put in the name of your domain if you want to, or anything else. You can change this later. But I just put in WP Money Site. That stands for WordPress Money Site. But sorry, I won't. That was the other domain, so I put in Insomnia Marketer. And down here I put in contact. Make sure that you also have this email working for you already. Like this. Site name. I keep blank for now. Site name and description you can change later. You'll see that. And then we click install WordPress. And then it will tell you, it will create a database for you, set up a database, and it shows you where the actual WordPress will be located. And then you click finish installation. And when you have done that, it tells you where to go, what your password and login is. As you see here, here's my password that I'm going to change right now, otherwise you can log in there. Okay, and this is the URL. The wp-admin is always your login to your WordPress account. It looks like this, and then you log in, and the next part will be how to configure WordPress. Thank you for listening, and welcome back to video number 2.